My boss is angry today. My boss is angry today. The computer is slow. The computer is slow. I forgot my password. I forgot my password. I have too much homework. I have too much homework. I'm late for work. I'm late for work. The test is hard. The test is hard. I don't understand the lesson. I don't understand the lesson. My backpack is heavy. My backpack is heavy. The bus is late again. The bus is late again. I missed the train. I missed the train. The traffic is bad. The traffic is bad. I can't find a parking spot. I can't find a parking spot. The store is crowded. The store is crowded. The price is too high. The price is too high. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough money. The shirt is too small. The shirt is too small. The shoes don't fit. The shoes don't fit. I lost my shopping bag. I lost my shopping bag. I forgot my shopping list. I forgot my shopping list. I'm very hot today. I'm very hot today. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. My feet hurt. My feet hurt. My nose is runny. My nose is runny. The room is messy. The room is messy. The door is locked. The door is locked.